Thermostat wire shorted to ground? Stop power. Test each conductor with a multimeter and choose the proper repair path fast to avoid a melted transformer or repeated system trips. If a thermostat wire shorts to ground, first shut off power at the furnace or air handler and at the circuit breaker for the heating and cooling system to prevent transformer burnout. Then remove the thermostat cover and verify the short by measuring continuity between each thermostat conductor and the system ground with a multimeter set to the continuity or resistance mode. Identify and isolate the damaged conductor by disconnecting wires at both the thermostat and the control board, then test each conductor end to end. A good conductor will show near 0 ohms between ends and no continuity to ground, while the shorted conductor will show continuity to ground. If the installation included spare wires, plan to repurpose one spare, note color conventions, relabel at both ends, and carefully pull slack so the spare can take over the problematic circuit without changing thermostat programming. If there are no spares or the run is compromised inside a wall, run a new cable from thermostat to air handler. Choose stranded thermostat cable rated for 24-volt control use and keep conductor runs separated from high-voltage wiring to lower induced faults. For temporary repairs only, use heat shrink tubing and soldered joints inside an accessible junction box. Avoid tape-only splices and never attempt live repairs while power is connected. After repair or wire replacement, perform insulation resistance testing by measuring each conductor to ground and between conductors to confirm no leakage. Acceptable resistance is typically megaohms rather than kiloohms. Reconnect to the control board, observing correct terminal mapping and fuse protection, then energize power and verify transformer voltage under load and thermostat control signals work correctly. Finally, document the repair. Update any wiring diagrams and photos, and recommend a follow-up inspection within 30 days if the short was due to rodents, renovation work, or nail damage. One of the biggest issues is thermostat wire short to ground causing transformer burnout, which often shows as no 24-volt output. Fix by cutting power immediately, replacing the shorted conductor or entire cable, and verifying transformer fuse continuity and voltage before re-energizing. One of the common mistakes is reusing a damaged conductor without testing for intermittent shorts, leading to recurring trips. Correct that by full-length continuity and insulation resistance testing and by using a spare conductor or a new cable run when in doubt. One of the frequent errors is poor splice technique and leaving connections taped inside walls, which invites moisture and future shorts. Use a junction box, solder or mechanical crimp connectors rated for control wiring, and seal with heat shrink to ensure a durable, code-compliant repair. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local HVAC and electrical contractors who handle thermostat wiring, diagnostics, and repairs, making it easy for homeowners to find qualified help when a shorted thermostat wire looks complicated. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with leads from nearby homeowners who need wiring replacement, cable runs, or emergency diagnostics.